Did you know that JK Lakshmi Cement once reached 3000 XPE? Namaste everyone, welcome to the channel The Money Master. I am Pooja Sharma. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but this time we are going to come with fresh content with so much knowledge bombs for you all so that you can start your investing journey and make sound investment decisions. In this video, we are going to talk about PE ratio. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. When we want to invest in the share of a company listed on the stock market, we want to know the right value of that share so that we can understand whether the share is undervalued or overvalued. And this is where the PE ratio helps us. So first of all, what is a PE ratio? PE ratio is equals to the price per share divided by earning per share. Price per share is the current market price per share of that company. So how do we calculate earning per share? We will take the help of Excel and we will do all the calculations with respect to EPS, that is earning per share, and the PE ratio. Let's start. So now we are going to do all the calculations on Excel and we are going to calculate PE ratio. For example, we are going to pick up Tata Consultancy Services for this video and we are going to calculate the PE ratio and the EPS of TCS. But first, let's take a look at the formulas again. So PE ratio, the formula is share price divided by earnings per share. Now we know what is share price. It is the current market price per share. But how do we calculate earnings per share? EPS is calculated by this formula, which is visible on your screen. So we will have to reduce the preferred dividends, that is the dividend that we give to preference shareholders, from the net income. And then we have to divide it by weighted average shares outstanding, that is the total number of shares outstanding as of date. Okay, so we will need all this data. We will need net income, we will need the shares outstanding, we will also need the current market price per share, and we will have to calculate first EPS, and then with the help of EPS and current market price per share, we will calculate PE ratio. Let's move back to the screener. You can use a lot of websites which can provide you company data. So use Screener, Tickertape, a lot of options are there. So this is the kind of data that is available. Tata Consultancy Services, we will need current market price per share, that is 3163.10. We are going to calculate this. So 38.34 will be our result. We'll see that later. We'll confirm from this document again. The number of shares outstanding is 375.2 CR. EPS, which we have to again calculate, is already there. And we will need net profit, that is 30960. Let's move back to the Excel. So first of all, we will need net profit as of March 2021 because that's when we were calculating. So if you see different figures on your screener for TCS, that's okay because the price changes and the EPS will effectively change according to that, right? So don't worry, your calculations will be absolutely fine and they will be more relevant to the day on which you are calculating. So net profit is 30960 as we have taken from that, and it's in crores. Current market price per share is 3163 as we just noticed. The shares outstanding is 375.24. As you can see here, it is marked in red. Then now we have to calculate EPS. So how do we calculate EPS? If you check the formula in this cell, we have divided D13 divided by D15. So we have divided 30960 by shares outstanding, that is 375.24 CR. Both the figures are already in CR, so I don't have to add the extra zeros to make the figure look like in crores. So the EPS will come out to be 82.50. Let's match it from the document. Yes, our EPS is correct. It's approximately 82.51 or 50. Next is PE ratio. So PE ratio, the formula is share price, that is this portion. Let's make it yellow. So this portion divided by the EPS, that is this. So let's mark it. Okay, so look at the formula in this. We have divided D14 divided by D18, that is current market price per share, divided by D18, that is EPS. And the result is 38.33. Now let's go back to the document and see. Oh, it's 38.34 here as well. So that's how you calculate PE ratio. In real life, the PE of a company ranges from 1 to several hundreds to several thousands. So, a better way to analyze the PE of a company is to compare it with the PE of the industry to which that company belongs. Let us take the example of pharmaceutical industry, which currently has the PE ratio of 24.2. A company like Aurobindo Pharma is undervalued with a PE ratio of 16, whereas a company like Sun Pharma is overvalued with a PE ratio of 33.5. So the investors, they love to invest in companies which are undervalued and have a low PE ratio. And on the other hand, they tend to be a bit apprehensive about the companies which are overvalued with a high PE ratio. But there are a lot of other factors which we must consider before investing in a company. So keep in mind that any company with a low PE ratio may not be a good investment, and any company with a high PE ratio, which is overvalued, may not be a bad investment. And this is exactly what we are going to talk about in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, come on, subscribe it now. We are a family of 7,000 subscribers now, which is amazing. You can download the Excel sheet from the description. Make sure you use that Excel file to calculate the PE ratio whenever you're researching about a company or doing analysis of a company. Till then, namaste, bye bye, and take care. I will see you in the next video.